Hello students, good morning everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Myself Rupani Pathak from Om Shanti English Medium School and in Standard 6. Today I am going to teach you Unit 3 Water for All in English. Students, we already learned one lesson on water in SEM 1 and the title was Water, Water Everywhere. And here the title is something different. In first unit we learn water, water everywhere, and in a second unit we learn water for all. Now we see how this lesson describe us how water for all. First we see the hard words of the lesson in activity 1. New words. Scarce. Scarce means not easy to find or get. Then desalinations, the removal of salt from seawater. Then condense. Condense means to change, make something change from a gas to a liquid or solid state. Students, we know it very well that shortage of water day by day increasing. So, what should we do? You know it very well. Just before few days, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji come in Kutch and there one project opening in a Mandvi. It was convert the sea water in a drinking water. So let us see how this happen. In this lesson we can see that there is 260 trillion liters of water on the earth. As drinkable water is scarce. Lots of water you can see when you went out of. There are so much water, but all are not drinkable. The reason is less than 1/2 or 1% of Earth's water is drinkable. From 100% to only 1% water is drinkable. It is really very sadful for us. This amount is too less to fulfill the need of drinking water for the people on the earth. The only option left with us is to convert seawater into drinking water. And it is not an easy task to convert the salty water in a pure water. This process is known as desalinations. Ahead I told like that the process of convert the salt water into drinking water, it's called the desalination. In an old style, seawater was boiled until it is turned into steam. The steam would be cooled, condensed back into water and collected. But this process consumed a lot of time and seawater could be converted into drinkable water in very small amounts. If we want to develop the project, it's take a time, it is also not cheap, but boil water and convert into drinkable water. It is possible in a small amount, not in a large. It also uses a lot of fuel, therefore a process become very costly. Scientists are looking for new ways to make desalination less costly. We can see here the one project of heat. You saw so many things like a geyser, like a solar water heater. We often see today on the terrace. It is a very good project. We use fuel and boil the water and also purify and cold water convert into hot water. So there are so many projects by that we can convert the salty water into drinkable water. Ahead we see that scientists are looking for new ways to desalination less costly. How it made less costly and convert the water, and this project is already started in Mandvi, Kutch. Now we see how water everywhere lesson teach us one poem, and this poem is really very interesting because you went out in the sea and you are thirsty, but you are not able to drink the water of the sea. You have to take the help of the pure water. Like that, in this poem we learn that day after day we stop nor breath nor motion, as idle as a painted ship upon a painted ocean. This is a real picture, but in a picture you can see that the boat is stuck on the water, and it is look like a picture. It's not look like a real boat and real water. Why? Poets say that because water everywhere, and all the boats did shrink. Water everywhere, nor any drop to drink. This poem describes that water everywhere, but no any drinkable water, even a drop. So here the poem describes that how we face the problem of water in the future. So we have to think on it, and we try to understand and save the water. Students, you also know that now in our India, in a foreign country, it is already started before so many years that you have to pay the bill of the water used by you, like a electricity meter, like a gas meter. You have to put a meter in your home, and you have to pay the bill of water which is used by you. If we not save the water, like oil, petrol, diesel, kerosene, we have to buy the water very costly. Nowadays we see that water are not given free. Water are given by money in a pouch, in a bottle. It is really sad for us. In olden days, our elders give the water to the thirsty people, but today we get the water if we pay the money. So we have to save the water and try to understand the value of water. Students, hope you can understand the story of the lesson water for all. Thank you. Have a nice day.